In the rapidly evolving landscape of innovation management, artificial intelligence is emerging as a transformative force, reshaping the dynamics of how new ideas are developed and implemented. A key trend in this revolution is vibe coding, a novel approach that allows developers to instruct AI systems using casual, intuitive prompts rather than complex coding languages. This shift not only streamlines the coding process, but also democratizes access to technology, enabling more people to contribute to innovation without needing extensive technical expertise. By interpreting natural language inputs, AI can translate vague ideas into actionable code, making it easier than ever for teams to prototype and iterate on new concepts. Beyond just coding, AI's role in innovation management extends to predictive analytics, where it analyzes vast datasets to identify market trends and consumer preferences, guiding strategic decisions. This capability helps organizations anticipate changes and stay ahead of the curve. As AI continues to evolve, its integration into innovation management promises to accelerate the pace of technological advancement, fostering a culture of continuous improvement and creativity in industries worldwide.